Welcome back to AI Made Easy, one day at a time. I'm Al-Khwarizmi, your trusty guide through the intricate labyrinth of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Today we're hitting episode 42, a continuation of our series on convolutional neural networks, or CNNs. But for this episode we're going to discuss something incredibly practical: why and how to use pre-trained models. In the age of data-driven science, it's easy to be overwhelmed by the sheer amount of data needed to train machine learning models. Training a model from scratch can be time-consuming, computationally expensive, and frankly, a bit daunting. That's where pre-trained models come into play. These are models that have already been trained on large datasets and have proven their mettle. So why use pre-trained models? Well, there are several compelling reasons. First, it saves a lot of time. Instead of waiting days or even weeks for a model to train, you can use a pre-trained model and adapt it to your needs in a fraction of the time. Second, it's computationally efficient. Using a pre-trained model means you're leveraging someone else's computational power and time. It's like getting a head start in a marathon. And third, it's often a surefire way to achieve high performance, especially if you're working with smaller datasets. Now, how do we use these pre-trained models? The process is known as transfer learning. Essentially, you take a pre-trained model and fine-tune it for your specific task. This usually involves replacing the output layer to match the number of classes in your problem, and then retraining the model on your dataset, often at a lower learning rate so as not to disrupt the pre-trained weights too much. There are various ways to implement this depending on your needs. In Python, libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch make it extremely straightforward to import pre-trained models. There's often a single function call that will download and instantiate a model pre-trained on a massive dataset like ImageNet. And that's the magic of pre-trained models. It takes the complexity of machine learning and packages it into something that's both user-friendly and incredibly powerful. It's a win-win situation for budding data scientists and experienced researchers alike. So, that's it for today's episode. Feel free to join our Facebook group Arabic ChatGPT Community, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Faith by Focus for more enlightening content. Until next time, keep learning and growing.